In order to visit Pinnacles National Park, we stayed in San Lorenzo Regional Park and Campground in King City, California. It is run by Monterey County, and it was absolutely beautiful. It had a circular design around a central facility with showers and bathrooms and all that, but it was empty. We had the whole park to ourselves, but it was beautifully landscaped. We really enjoyed our stay there, and it was only about 40 minutes to get to Pinnacles at that point. And the ride to Pinnacles was really nice. And when we got out of the foothills, we got into wine growing area, grapes everywhere, which you'll see in this video. It's believed that volcanoes from 23 million years ago flowed lava from the Lancaster, California area to become Pinnacles National Park. What remains of the lava flow formed rocky spires and caves, canyon bottoms, and oak woodlands that many plants and animals call home. This is also one of the locations that the state of California released or reintroduced the California condor. This location is also known to be on top of the infamous San Andreas Fault. As you'll see in this video, there are many hiking trails that are very doable and beautiful through the canyons, under the rocky spires, through caves, and we were also surrounded by not only wildlife but also a lot of wildflowers. Pinnacles is our least visited national park, probably because of its remote proximity to any large city. good use of our headlamps in the hike that went right through the cave. And we even befriended this woman, Lisa, who had need of our lamps as we went through the cave. It was a little dark in some places. But like these little openings, there were a lot of light that was able to penetrate the cave. It was really stunning. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and give us a like, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.